Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Jane. In this video, I will be showing you how to say the months of the year in Spanish. First, I will say it in English, then I will say it in Spanish 3 times to help you with the pronunciation of the word. Feel free to stop and rewind as many times as you need till you feel ready to move to the next month. Also, like and forward this video to anyone you know could use this in their Spanish learning. Ready? Let's get started. January, Enero, Enero, Enero. February, Febrero, Febrero, Febrero. March, Marzo, Marzo, Marzo. April, Abril, Abril, Abril. May, Mayo, Mayo, Mayo. June, Junio, Junio, Junio. July, Julio, Julio, Julio. August, Agosto, Agosto, Agosto. September, Septiembre, Septiembre, Septiembre. October, Octubre, Octubre, Octubre. November, Noviembre, Noviembre, Noviembre. December, Diciembre, Diciembre, Diciembre. Good job! You now know your months of the year in Spanish. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and forward this to anyone you know could use this to help them, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, have a beautiful day.